Everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Here's another update on the indoor garden experiment. So if you see those 4 toothpicks there, those are the rows that I've planted in here. The outer 2 ones are the bunching onions, and in the middle two here that you can see are carrots. These were all ones that were chitted. And on the very center, I added another row of non-chitted seeds of carrots just to see what the difference is going to be and what sort of germination rate I have on that. Over here, go down here with this one here, where I got the little marker there. I planted a row of the chitted bunching onions all around the tomato there, and then inside the area here I sprinkled some carrot seeds. Now this one here, I planted the replacement tomato here, and I buried it deep, so all those little fuzzy things on the stalk are going to be forming roots and get it to grow a little faster. But then I sprinkled a whole bunch of carrots all around this here and lightly covered it with about 1/4 inch of potting mix and wet it down good. So we'll see how many carrots come up from there. Now let's come over here. I pruned off another one of the lower branches off that big tomato over there, and I'm trying to see if it'll clone and have roots. If it does, I will pot it and then give it to my daughter for her to put in her garden. Over here, let me get around here to the side so I can see it here good. Alright, so alright, where was it? I saw right there, the little green spot, that's one of the bunching onions that are starting to come up, and there were a couple others around where they're starting to come up over here. Here's one right over here, and so I got bunching onions starting to come up here amongst the lettuce, and so I got basically the 5 lettuce plants growing. Oh, and I got a weed coming up here. This is not a bunching onion. And so we'll see how well these ones, all the bunching onions I put down in here were had started to sprout and chitting, so we'll see how that goes. So far everything seems to be looking pretty good in here. The onions are doing pretty good, the different types. So let me get over here, and everything seems to be doing good here. I'm probably going to stop using the heating pad now because don't have any other room to plant anything yet. So I'm going to check. I'll check later tomorrow or the next day for the remainder of the seeds of the carrots and bunching onions that are still in there chitting. And if any more come up, I will figure out a place to plant them. Otherwise, I'm just going to discontinue it. And one of the things I've been doing for controlling these lights so I don't have to control it, I got a timer down here running the lights. I have it on for 12 hours a day. And I have another timer over there that is controlling the heating pad, and it comes on for a couple hours, then off for several hours, and on for a couple hours. And that alternating really encouraged the seeds to start sprouting, to start germinating quicker. So so it basically comes on for 10 hours a day. So you got 2 hours on, 3 hours off, 2 hours on, 4 hours off, whatever. And that's how it worked out. Oh, and I almost forgot one other thing here. Got a couple blossoms on the tomatoes here already. So I got to get a Q-tip here and cross-pollinate them and everything, make sure they pollinate good. So as always, stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps, and plant a garden because food prices are going nuts.